Hey guys, what's up? I got a little fix for you if your iPhone has a black screen and you can still hear this. So you can still hear like the stuff and you can hear this or anything that's playing. Just do this. Here's an easy fix. Easy. So I'm gonna unplug mine. Home button and power button. Home button and power button. Hold them. Okay, then the music stops or whatever, and just release. As you can see, I was hitting the power button and the home button, nothing was happening. The screen wouldn't boot up or nothing, and look, it works. So comment, rate, and subscribe. Let me know if this works for you, and I will surely do another video for you. So thanks for watching, guys. Comment, rate, and subscribe. And if you want to see it fully boot up, you can stay through here. If you're done and it booted up for you, that's great. Please subscribe. So I'm gonna let this finish booting up. I can go ahead and get my charger. And I should feel it vibrate once it gets close to booting up. Okay, the screen got brighter, so I should be hearing that and feeling that little vibrate. You can hear the noise vibrate too. Okay, there you go. Alright, there you go. It popped up, and all you gotta do is just hit your home button or power button to power it on, and boom, your iPhone or iPod, iPad is now booted up. So thanks for watching, guys. Comment, rate, and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See you in the next video.